Welcome back. This is the first of several lessons in which we'll be creating a gear housing. I'm going to begin this exercise with a new metric part document. We'll be working in millimeters. Our sketch is open and active. We're ready to create a profile. Let's activate the line tool. And let's right-click and close. Next, I'll create a line between this point and the midpoint of the line on the bottom. Just left-click when you see the coincident glyph to apply the constraint automatically. This line is where we'll split the gear housing. Let's apply a vertical relation to this line. Now let's apply some dimensions to our profile. We'll make this line 25 millimeters. OK. This line here will be 160 millimeters. This distance here will be 80 millimeters. Let's apply a horizontal relation between this point and this point, and a coincident relation between this line and the origin point. Let me just zoom out a little bit. And let's continue applying dimensions. This distance I'll make 90 millimeters. Angular dimension here, 125 millimeters. And let's place another dimension between these two lines, 125 millimeters as well. Click OK. Our sketch is fully constrained. Let's exit this tool and convert this line to construction geometry. Now click Finish Sketch. OK, let's activate the Revolve command now. Our profile is pre-selected, so let's select the axis of revolution. Under Extents, we have Full, so the revolution will be 360 degrees. And let's accept that revolve. And this concludes our first lesson on creating the gear housing. We'll see you in the next tutorial.